You know, when I was hanging out with my European friends,
I want to tell you guys something now.
I realized something important.
I don't know many things about Nigeria.
Yeah, we're like a virus. Nigerians are everywhere. Wherever you look in the world, we're everywhere.
What I have learned all these years, that Africa is poor with water.
It's terrible. What about what?
And they told me that, don't go, northern part.
If I go to Nigeria, I will not eating enough.
I want to know all the people, all the culture.
I think I don't know many things about Africa. I want to know many things.
I think I have to discover.
I want to show you guys.
Some of my friends had this image of Africa that was not quite right. Not because they are bad people, but because they just didn't know much. And you know what? We don't know anything and everything about them either.
Most importantly, you don't have to mix cappuccino with sandwich at 10 p.m. in the night. Otherwise, they would ban you from the country and you're fucked.
Stop making spaghetti.
But every region has a different kind of
Coffee.
Yeah.
Italian cuisine, the best of the world, yes.
Know any Nigerian music? Davido. Wizkid. Davido.
In Italian.
No, grazie.
Sure, we got our problems, like every other country does.
The Economic and Financial Crimes Commission says it's recovered the sum of $9.8 million, have seized the sum of 49 million naira.
980 billion.
If you are corrupt and there is no consequence, then not only will you continue to be corrupt, other people will join.
And that is why lifestyle audits are important, and I urge you to enact legislation that will require Nigerians that before you build a house as a public servant, you must show us the source of your fund.
But there is so much more to us.
Nigerians come to America, they're one of the most successful groups of immigrants in all the fucking countries, 100 plus whatever countries. Nigerians murder it when they come to America. There's something about, there's a work ethic, but there's also a cleverness.
So I thought, why not be a good example of where I'm from and show them the bright side, the cool things about Nigeria.
Jollof is like, we are eating jollof rice. We are eating. You will love it. We have nice food.
On this day, they were in for a surprise.
Out here to show them what our music videos look like.
Well, I didn't know a lot about the cinematography in Nigeria, to be honest.
Well, what I got to learn here, or what I got to realize here, is that I didn't realize that Nigeria had such a big cinema industry, and it's something that you would, within the Netherlands, not regularly see.
I actually tell them that Nigerian, sometimes we work 24 hours to shoot the music videos. Laura, do you know any Nigerian music?
Music? No.
Okay, know any artist? You listen to music?
Yes.
Nigerian artist?
No, I don't know any. I think thanks to you now, maybe I will know something.
Yes,
now I'm really curious.
You have to show us.
You have to show us.
They didn't know we create this fantastic film, amazing food, and music video that people all over the world enjoy.
Wizkid. We have Wizkid. We have Davido. And we have Davido. And we have Burna Boy.
Burna Boy?
Which one's your favorite?
Burna Boy.
Burna Boy. You know Burna Boy?
I don't know. Because Burna Boy. It sounds nice, that's fine.
It's amazing, very good, bravo. And I loved all the video clips you showed us, very high quality. You can see people were working hard on those things, yeah, amazing.
Farouk, ti voglio bene. I love you.
Me too.
Yes, I love you.
Farouk, our dear friend, amazing artist, filmmaker. Not singer, but not yet, maybe in the future, who knows. I would like to hear a featuring with Farouk and Davido, for example.
Well, what I saw is that Nigeria has has this amazing video clip. What I think is amazing is that Nigeria creates these wonderful video clips, and for what I've seen, they're so creative, and I've seen things that really made me also think about something I could maybe. They get to inspire me. They really get to inspire me.
For example, Kamdam, I knew it and I didn't know it was from Nigeria, so that was amazing. And I didn't know about Aristar and Bernavoy, which are amazing too. So now I learned more. And which was the name of the other artist too? Ah, yeah.
Grande David.
Yeah.
So we have CK, of course. CK, Davido, Burna Boy, amazing Burna Boy. I mean, come on, he's great. And who else? Wizkid. Come on, Wizkid, yes.
One thing I learned about Nigerian food is that, for example, here in Italy, you have 3 courses normally. And in Nigeria, you have the 3 courses, but in 1 plate.
I know about food. The rice jollof.
Jollof rice.
Jollof rice. Me and Paul, me and Horacio, we cooking Nigeria. Nigeria style. The preparation of the jollof rice, how do you see it?
Very long.
Yeah, we cooking Nigeria jollof rice.
Non sapevi che tu su Flamma e... Come si chiama? Che cos'è Henry? Sì. A tutte le ore, every time, Farruca e Henry. Ascoltatemi, domani
Yes.
voi.
No, un quarto.
9:15.
So, we are waiting for Chef Farouk.
I think it was a little bit too much to like mix the beef and the chicken at the end. It was very long for a cooking recipe.
Yes. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, very long.
Yes.
But we like to try it.
Yeah, why not?
This is done. This is it. Oh.
Farouk.
Yes. And serve yourself as you want.
Yeah, very long.
Yes. But we like to try it.
Yeah, why not?
In sottofondo mentre mangio
If you eat much, this is small for you. Very good chef.
I experienced the rice that Farouk made for us. Jollof rice, very good, amazing, give you energy.
I realized that being a good representation of where you're from is like a spreading light. It's not just about acknowledging the problems only. It's also about being proud of the good stuff you guys create. It is about showing the world the vibrant colors of your culture and breaking the stereotypes.
Have you heard anything you've ever heard about Nigeria or
what I think
Africa?
about
what do you think about Africans?
I think that is a country.
Yeah.
That
is a continent, Africa.
Sorry. I prefer Africa because it's more simple.
Wow. You will love it. We have nice food. I want to show you amala.
Yeah, show amala.
The civilization is Africa, you know? Everything almost comes from there. And if we speak about music, there are so many talented people there. If you speak about sport, if you speak about any segment of life, they are African people. And you cannot imagine the world without African people.
What do you like? What country in Africa do you like most?
Nigeria.
Why?
Yeah, why? Because of you. Because of you.
Why do
no,
you like
I want to. I want to travel. I want to visit all the places in the world. I want to know all the people, all the culture. Okay. So.
I would like to visit your country, Nigeria.
Overall, the Nigerian vibe. So if most of Nigerians are like Farouk, amazing, jackpot. But the Nigerian style of working is non-stop working, energy, high energy all the time. Don't have breaks, just work, never stop, important. And make a lot of money. If you make a lot of money, what else you need, you know?
You're telling me now in Nigeria there are a lot of water, so it's beautiful, and I'm so happy about that. You know, it's amazing to know this fact. So the thing that I learned about the continent of Africa, you know, something is missing. Something is, you know, someone is telling us things, different stories.
I would like to go deeper in Africa. I know because I have some friends from Africa, really wonderful friends. And they told me that, you know, don't go, you know, northern part because it's a very touristical. Go deeper, so I would like you, yes, towards, you know, middle, then south to see all the, you know, all the true Africa, yes. One day, for sure, I will do that.
I know about food, the work, the society, and the culture. Not all the Africa, but for Nigeria, a little bit more.
And good people. Wow. Playing drums.
Thank
you.
So I would love to see some very great Nigerian stories in the future, and I would love if also like the film industry would give more attention to these amazing parts of the world that really deserve to be heard and deserve to finally get their right position in the entire film industry all around the world. Yeah.
And I'm not saying just because you live there, but because I'm sure it's a great country. But of course, Nigeria first place, then Lagos, and then I think Côte d'Ivoire. I would like to see where you were born, you know, to feel the vibe there.
In the end, it's all about learning from each other. We might not know everything about each other, but by sharing and appreciating, we build bridges. So, wherever you go as a Nigerian, be a light, share the goodness of your own. You might be surprised at the amazing connections you can make and how much you can make Nigeria proud.
So we also spread to across the world and also share our content. Thanks so much for the kindness and hospitality. I really appreciate it.